So now let's see how we can work around with the color picker tool inside of Pixlr E. So here you can see that this is an image that I have, and now let's use the color picker tool to select one of the colors which is already present in this picture. So here you can see that this is the picture right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around into the picker, and then what you can do is you can click here onto this yellow spot, and then what happens once you do that is it has taken that exact color over here onto this color right here. So once I do that, this is the picker, as you can see. So this is the main, or you can go around into alter right here. So you got an alternative color picked up. So you can go on to main, select it. So you got the main color over here. And then if you want to, you can change around over here as well. The alternative color changes out the color of the background, while the main color, it changes the foreground color. And then you can also select out different shades of the color that you picked. You can go for triadic type of, like you can go for the opposite color and so forth. You can go for analogous color, and you can go for complement color as well. So you can go around over here and select the color just like that, and then work around with the picker. And then what you have is, if I were to go around into the brush now, let's say for example, the draw tool now, if I were to click and drag, then this is what you have. You are painting with the color that you chose. Let me do the same with this one right here. So I'm going to go around into the picker, and then if I were to click here, then you can see that this is what you have now. So you got the blue shade, you can select the color that you want, and then you can go around over here onto draw, click and drag it around, and there you go. So you have the color just like this. So that is how you can work around with the picker, right? Just like that. You can go around over here onto the picker right here. Let's say you want to select pink, select this out. You got that shade just like that. And then you can go around over here onto, let's say for example, the brush, and then paint it around, and this is what you have. And that is how you can use the picker tool to pick out colors from an existing image inside of Pixlr E. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.